all the way closed. Just gonna do this. You just get, no, don't do that. Do that, you're gonna tap it. Just help. You can hang on to the box. You good? Go under it.
Yep.
Now we just have to see if the swarm that's in there. That swarm of blood up there still. Can't get that. You know how to tap that feather?
Yep.
I can hold it if you can tap. It needs to get tapped harder. I just can't do it. There you go. Gotta get the queen. The one we need, and I don't know where she is, so we'll see if she's in there. Let's see. If she's in there, they'll go after it.
Well, how can they get in there with that?
Okay, now move. See what happens. They may just collect again. So if she's in there, they'll go in. If some start to go in, they'll be fine. They're good. I think we're good. We're going in.
Yeah, but they're reclustering too.
That's okay. That's an old smell possibly. So if they keep going in there, then just watch. Yeah, they'll sometimes, the old pheromone is still sitting. But if there's any pheromone in there, then they're going to go in there. There's definitely some going in there. Yep, they're flying towards it. They're flying towards it. I think we got her.
Alright, well let's give it 5 minutes and we'll be back.
Well, I thought what I'd do is I'd hit this. Well, no, it's fine. Yeah, yeah, we'll just leave it. I'm just gonna watch. But yes. See, they're still dry flying there. Yep, you're good. Think we got him?
Yeah.